So as most of you know, there's a lot of issues that you can have inside of your particular iPhone when it comes down to using that auto clicker. Now, if you've already set up an auto clicker and it's just not working, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that you set your launch recipe correctly. So go inside of your settings application right over here, scroll down to accessibility, which is right over here, and then click on switch control. So swipe down from the top and go find your switch control option. And what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and make sure that within switch control, that little option, that you have that type of recipe set up on the click event. So find that switch control option. For me, it's always a little hard to find. I think it's under touch and then it's under switch control. So it's right over here. You can tap on switch control right here and make sure number one, switch control is on. But under launch recipes, so where that little area is where it says launch recipes, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure the custom auto clicker has a check mark next to it. So you have to kind of remember that. So as you're going through and you're setting that up, you have to make sure that's pretty much set up that way because that's the first thing we recommend doing. Now also under switches, if you go ahead and under switches right over here, you also want to make sure that that switch is enabled here and you see that switch inside of this option. If that doesn't show up, that can be another problem. Also under recipes here, this is where you could see that and make sure you have that option under launch recipes at the bottom set up because that's also going to be a problem if that's not working. If it's still not working, you can also try restarting your phone. That's another thing we recommend doing as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.